Engineer Ali, Mirza Ali. A lot of people end up listening to him. Unfortunately, he badmouths Sahaba Ikram, and he says that I'm basing this on what the history is. Right? So they use history, and look, it is historically recorded that this and this and this is this. Our argument to those are that if you compare history to that of what Hadith and Qur'an says, which would hold true? Hadith and Qur'an, this will not be even a thought, because if otherwise history even questions Qur'an itself, but we can't question Qur'an, we lose our iman if we question Qur'an. Right? History is as it has been recorded by the individuals that have come and narrated whatever that they had to, and they always says that the hero is who the historian was on the side of. I was just talking to my friend that growing up, Russia was always a villain for us. We always looked at Russia as that they are duffers, buffers, thick-headed, and that only came from us just looking at what was happening in Afghanistan and the American propaganda, Rambo and all of that. Now in the Ukraine war, a boy like this is probably, if he watches media, which I'm sure he does, he would be getting the same kind of influence that the Russians are the bad guys. It's how history is written by those who the historian is on the winner's side. That's what it is. But Quran and Hadith, stands the test of even the historians, and they are over and above. So if Quran and Hadith gives us the certificate of the authenticity of the Sahaba Ikram, then who are we to question just because on the basis of what historians have to say? Quran says, أُولَٰئِكَ الَّذِينَ امْتَحَنَ اللَّهُ قُلُوبَهُمْ لِلتَّقْوَى. That these are the people whose heart Allah has tested enough to find taqwa in them. So Sahaba Ikram radhiyallahu ajma'in are the ones whose heart have been tested by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to realize whether there is taqwa in them or not. That is the level of test that they have stood. And that is why once they were successful in their test, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them the title that radiyallahu anhum wa radu anhum. That Allah is happy with them and they are pleased with Allah. So these are who Sahaba Ikram radhiyallahu ajma'in are.